video on Pella windows and window damage for storms. So you're going to find out Pella has a very distinctive telltale look that you can see even from the street. The first thing is it's got a miter angle on it. There's not all that many windows that have this
Mitered
angled
sash?
at 45, okay?
On the sash.
On the sash. Secondly, you'll notice that they're always consistent with about the width of your thumb with a beveled edge on the frame, okay? So this is the frame. This frame is being covered, but you'll see all the way around. It's always the size of your thumb. If you can go angle, thumb, and you can tell this is like a pop can thickness, you probably have Pella windows. The other telltale sign is easy.
Blinds.
There was a series of years where they put blinds in the glass. They had the strings. They were the only company that did that. And this glass, the blinds will be very, very close to the edge of the 1/8 inch glass. So you know that. Okay, so now we're going to look at the sizing. 90% of the time, the sizes for windows were put in on the original time of the house, not 100%, but 90%. So I can close my eyes and tell you that's 29 inches wide. I haven't put my tape measure up, but I can just about tell you this is either 51 or 54. Let's see what it is. Excuse me, 53. So 53 inch high. All I did was measure the outside of the frame to the outside of the edge here, and I see 58 inches, which is a 2 wide, and I'll also see, like I said, 53 inch high. They use odd numbers, unlike the other brands. I know for a fact that that's a Pella window. That's the end of that.